This is my room, my one window, and then my closet is here. So we just got to the place and you see this like beautiful room. We just found out that we could get on the freaking roof.
I'm from Boston. I'm like
Holly's room.
Oh, hey.
Come on in. I just love how much light we get in this apartment. Hey guys, what's up? So today is my last day in my last college apartment, which is absolutely insane. So I actually have a vlog when I moved in here, as well as when I did my whole room makeover. And now I'm actually taking everything down, moving completely out of the apartment. Today I actually have to be out of the apartment by today, and it's just really crazy to see like the whole year has gone by and I've actually graduated college, which is absolutely insane to me. But I thought I'll just make this video to, you know, document tearing everything down, bringing this room back to 4 walls, which is absolutely insane. I'm just grateful to be here, but at the same time it's really sad to be leaving this apartment because it's literally my favorite place I've ever lived. But yeah, I'm just going to be taking things down and getting this place back to what it was before I moved in. So I started off with my bed. The first thing I did was to get rid of all my throw pillows because I have a ton of them, as you can see. So to do that, I actually just put them in trash bags. I feel like this is the best way to pack up throw pillows and just pillows in general, because they're safe from dust and they're just like in bags and you can pull them out when you move into your new place. So I just put all my pillows in trash bags and then continued with the rest of my bed. So something that I like to do is I keep specific like package things so that when I'm moving out I can put things back into their packages. So for my comforter, my duvet, I ended up keeping its pack, and so I could just fold it up and put it back into its bag. And I also added the one pillow that I'm keeping because I'm throwing away all the other like flat pillows because they're horrible right now. So I went ahead and took off my mattress cover. Then I moved on to other parts of the room, like my nightstand where I keep my jewelry in this little jewelry box. I decided to take all my jewelry out and store them in another place and then just clear up that nightstand. Then I moved on to breaking down my clothing rack. I actually had just got this a few months ago, so it was like a new addition to my room. And now, a tip for when you're moving, a good thing to do is to tape the screws of anything you break down to the item. So I just put them in a Ziploc, all the screws and all of that in the Ziploc, and just taped it to the clothing rack. So when I'm unpacking and putting it together wherever I'm going, then I just have everything together. So this plant died, unfortunately. When I came back from Nigeria, it was literally gone, so that's literally just going to go into the trash. So a big item in my room was this mirror. So I absolutely love this mirror, and so when I bought it, I kept its packaging because I knew I was going to be moving around with it. And so all I did was just get its packaging, use the same bubble wrap that I ordered it with, and just wrap it up, tape it all together so that it is safe and nothing can break in the mirror. I was very careful with this, and I just slipped it back into its pack and taped it up, and that is completely safe. And so now I'm just moving on to other items in my room, like this lamp that I got from Walmart. I'm just going to put that away. I actually was giving that lamp away because I didn't want it anymore. And then I started taking things off the walls. So I had a lot of stuff on the walls, a lot of fake plants that I created. If you want to see how I created any of those, go check my room makeover video. And then I was just clearing off my tables, clearing off all the paintings on the walls, and I put most of my decorative stuff into this big container that I got from probably Target or Bed Bath & Beyond freshman year. And I just took off all the rest of the stuff on the walls and put that into that same container. I just like everything to be in one place. So when I'm decorating, I'm just going to go back to that place and take things out. And then more friends showed up to take some furniture. I gave away my bed as well as my dresser. Until here, they're just taking out the mattress, and it's time to break down this freaking bed. This bed was a lot to put together, and now it's going to be a lot to take down. I actually had bought it from another person, and so now I was just giving this away to some underclassmen. And the room is empty. As you can see, my whole bed was out, and so that was just a huge part of the room. And then we went on to taking out the dresser drawer by drawer. And then we got really tired because we hadn't eaten that whole day, so my roommate and I just sat down in my room and ate. And also, I forgot to mention, this is Ruth. Ruth stayed to help me move out, which was amazing because I have a lot of stuff. And so my room is empty now, which is so sad. Oh, the last thing we did was to take off this contact paper from this table, which was actually really hard. So I had actually put contact paper because I wanted it to be marble, and so we had to take that out. And then I also gave away my little plant baby, the one plant that I did not kill, to my beautiful friend Mercy as well.
And the room is empty. It's crazy, just like seeing how a whole year has just come to an end. Senior year really just went so quickly, and then COVID-19 came, and I literally spent every single day in this room, and so it's just really bittersweet. Like, I'm happy to have graduated and moving on, but at the same time I'm really going to miss this apartment and this room because I absolutely love it. This is my favorite place that I've lived in since coming to college, and so it's just so, it's very bittersweet leaving it, but yeah, I've definitely grown in this room, definitely done some cool stuff, hung out with friends, hung out with my roommates, watched a lot of Netflix, eaten a lot of food, but just like the way I put it together and the way I had it set up was so inspiring to me. Like, I would walk in every day and just be inspired by just like everything on the walls and around me. And now all the walls are bare, my bed is gone, my mirror is gone, everything is gone. And so it's just crazy. But yeah, I can't wait to see what the future holds when I move into my first apartment, you know, out of college, and then my first apartment as a professional software engineer. I'm really excited about that, to be honest, because I think it's gonna be a great time. I'm definitely gonna show you guys that whole moving process as well as like decorating like my whole apartment and everything. So, you know, those videos are gonna come up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing how I took everything down, my room on makeover video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, leave some comments down below, and I will definitely reply. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Peace and strength.